What if your router crashes and you lose everything? In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process to back up and upgrade your Cisco IOS so you can recover from disasters in minutes. Stick around to learn the critical mistake most admins make when upgrading their iOS that could brick their router. iOS image backup and upgrade. To have a network with high availability, i.e. minimum downtime, it is necessary to have procedures for backing up iOS. That way, in case of a problem, it will be very quick to restore an image to a router. We will see in detail how to make this backup. First of all, before we start, we need to check the good connectivity of our TFTP server, the one who will welcome our safeguard. To do this, all you have to do is ping the router to the TFTP server. Here, everything is okay. The show flash command, done on the router, allows you to check the size of the iOS that will be sent to the TFTP server. Here, the size is expressed in bytes. This gives a little 33 megabytes for the image in .bin. Now we're ready to save our image using the copy command. In the example, it is told to copy flash memory to a TFTP server. Then, you must tell him which file to copy, the address of the TFTP server, and the name we want to give it for the backup of the file. Exclamation marks indicate that the transfer is in progress. The last lines show that the transfer was a success. Cisco regularly releases new versions of these iOS to fix bugs or to add new features. We will see the steps to update your iOS on the router. First of all, you have to download the new iOS from the Cisco website and transfer it to its TFTP server. Then, better be careful, we test the connectivity between the router and the TFTP server again. Then we launch a flash show to see that there is enough space to download the new version of the iOS. Here, we see that there are about 221 megas available. It shouldn't be a problem. You can now copy the new iOS from the TFTP server to the router with the command copy. Our new iOS is now present on the router. All that remains is to tell him to boot on the new version of the iOS with the boot system command in global configuration mode. Don't forget to save the running config on the startup config and restart the router with the reload command. Once the router has rebooted successfully, you can check if the new image has been loaded with the show version command.